In the northern polar seas, where ice once defined the horizon, a new form of infrastructure is potentially emerging: the SNOWPANEL Arctic Artificial Island Resort. Designed as a science-driven public benefit project, it brings together renewable energy, cryosphere restoration, and ecological tourism within the legal framework of a host nation's exclusive economic zone, in full compliance with environmental law. At its core, SNOWPANEL deploys up to 336 centrifugal pumps, each moving 200,000 gallons of seawater per minute. Hydrogen-blended powered engines drive this system, converting seawater into sub-zero mist that freezes mid-air, forming reflective sea ice and capturing CO2 through natural air-sea exchange. Around this environmental heart, the SNOWPANEL Snowflake Resort rises, a multi-level indoor ski and research center surrounded by 12 quad-level penthouse domes. Each dome recycles energy, processes desalinated water, and powers the network's illuminated causeways, forming a visible symbol of restoration. Here, science and architecture converge. Tourism supports research, and recreation sustains renewal. Within Arctic waters, under sovereign partnership, environmental assessment, and public transparency, SNOWPANEL demonstrates that climate restoration can coexist with lawful, human-centered innovation. This is Arctic renewal in action, proof that the planet can rebuild what it has lost. This is SNOWPANEL, science and technology you can build today.